We've all been there. You work hard, put in the hours, and then, bam! Bills pile up before that next paycheck hits. That empty fridge feeling isn't exactly motivating. Thankfully, services like dailypay exist to help bridge that gap. They offer access to your earned wages before your official payday, a financial lifeline for many. But what happens if you deactivate your dailypay account and then later want to reactivate it? Can you even do that? The answer is yes, you can often reactivate your dailypay account, and in this video, we'll walk you through the steps depending on how it got deactivated in the first place. Here's the thing. There are two main ways a dailypay account gets deactivated. You might have done it yourself, deciding to pause the service for a while. Or your employer, for specific reasons, might have deactivated it on their end. The reactivation process differs slightly for each scenario. Scenario 1. You deactivated your dailypay account. Let's say you decided to take a break from dailypay. Maybe you weren't using it much or your budgeting situation changed.
No worries.
Reactivating your account is usually a breeze. Step 1. Open the dailypay app. This might seem obvious, but it's the first step. If you deleted the app, you'll need to re-download it from the App Store. Step 2. Log in. Use your existing dailypay login credentials, the ones you created when you first signed up. Step 3. Navigate to settings. Most apps have a settings section, often represented by a gear icon. Find it and tap on it. Step 4. Look for reactivation. Within the settings menu, you should see an option related to account management or reactivation. Step 5. Follow the prompts. dailypay will likely guide you through a short reactivation process. This might involve confirming some information or relinking your bank account. Step 6. Success. Once you complete the steps, your dailypay account should be active again, ready for you to access your earned wages before payday. Scenario 2. Your employer deactivated your dailypay account. There are a few reasons why your employer might deactivate your dailypay account. Maybe you left the company, or perhaps there were some irregularities with your account that needed to be addressed. Unfortunately, if your employer deactivated your account, you won't be able to reactivate it yourself. Step 1. Contact your employer's HR or payroll department. Reach out to your employer's human resources department or payroll team. They'll be able to explain why your account was deactivated and if there's a possibility of reactivating it. Step 2. Follow their instructions. The HR or payroll team will provide you with the next steps. This might involve resolving any outstanding issues or simply requesting reactivation on their end. Important note: while employer deactivated accounts can sometimes be reactivated, it's not always guaranteed. It depends on your employer's policies and the reason for deactivation. Keeping your dailypay account active. To avoid any reactivation hassles later, it's wise to be mindful of a few things. Stay informed. Review dailypay's terms and conditions to understand the situations that might lead to account deactivation. Maintain a positive account balance. If you use dailypay frequently, make sure there are enough funds in your account to cover any early wage transfers. Communicate with your employer. If you plan to leave your job or foresee any changes in your employment status, talk to your HR department about how it might affect your dailypay account. With that said, thanks for watching. Until next time, stay informed and take control of your finances.